If you read one email, you'll earn $2. If you read 10 emails, you might make over $20. People from all over the world, like Russia, Canada, Pakistan, South Africa, Brazil, Kenya, and more, are withdrawing money from this website. They're getting over $2, $6, and even more than $10 every minute just by opening and reading emails. You can get paid to read emails from anywhere in the world. All you need to do is open the email, read it, and click to confirm that you read it. Then, you'll get credited with 80 cents, $1, and sometimes even over $2 just for reading emails. Today, I'll show you 2 websites where you can make money online by reading emails. Let's dive into the first website where you can earn money just by reading emails. I'll reveal its name shortly, but first, let me walk you through the simple steps to get paid. Firstly, you sign up for a free account. Secondly, you open and read emails. I'll show you exactly how to do that with a real-life example. Thirdly, you can start earning real money every single day, which you can later withdraw into your PayPal account, or choose from various gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, and more. But before you can start earning, there are 2 things you need to have ready. Firstly, you must have a PayPal account set up. Don't worry if PayPal isn't available in your country. I'll provide a solution for that. For now, if you have PayPal available in your country, click the Sign Up button to create your account. You can start with an individual account, and once you receive your first payment, it will automatically convert to a business account. If PayPal isn't an option in your country, you can still easily withdraw your earnings in the form of different gift cards available on the website. The second thing you'll need is an email account. You can use a Gmail account for this, but if you don't have one, you can create a free Yahoo Mail account to receive emails. Now, the website we're talking about is called paidtoriadmail.com. It's available worldwide, so you can use it to earn money from anywhere in the world. Here you get paid for reading emails. Every day you'll receive paid emails in your inbox, and you get paid each time you confirm reading them. The great thing is, they also give you a $3 sign-up bonus once you join and activate your account. To get started, go to the top of the website and register yourself for free. The registration process might seem a bit complicated, so pay close attention. First, select your gender, then enter your first name, email ID, create a strong password, and retype the same password. Click the Sign Up button. On the next page, enter your last name, your zip code or postal code. Check the boxes for I have read terms and conditions, and I am not a robot, and then click the Sign Me Up button. Once you're logged into your account, your dashboard will look like this. You can see that the $3 sign-up bonus has been added to your account, which you can confirm by checking your account stats on the right-hand side. The best part about this website is that you can use it on both your smartphone and your computer or laptop. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find different ways to earn free cash on paidtoriadmail.com. For example, you can complete cash surveys and earn anywhere from 50 cents to $1 per survey. Or you can complete cash offers to earn extra cash. But today, we're focusing on making money by reading emails online. So just select the paid email option and click on the Earn More Reading Emails button. That will take you to a page where you can see all the paid emails you've received in your Gmail or Yahoo Mail account. Since this is a new account, the inbox is empty for now, but you'll receive emails within a few hours. After waiting for 3 to 4 hours, I received my first email from paidtoriadmail.com. This is what your paid emails will look like. All you have to do is click on Confirm this paid email, and it will take you to a random website like this. Simply stay on the website for at least 30 seconds, browsing around to show that you're a human and not a bot. You can scroll through the website and move your mouse around. After the 30 seconds are up, you can close the website, and you'll immediately be credited with points in your account. On this website, 100 points equal $1, and you can see that I've received 80 points in my account, which means I earned 80 cents for reading that email. Now, let's wait for another paid email. And as you can see, I received the second paid email within 2 hours of the first one. Once again, you just have to click on Confirm this paid email, and it will take you to a random website like this. You just need to stay there for 30 seconds. So, scroll up and down on the website, move your mouse around, and after 30 seconds, you can close the website. As you can see, I've been credited with 80 more points for opening and reading that email, which means I received another 80 cents in my account on this website, and you can do this on both your phone and your computer. The great news is that you only need a minimum of $15 in your account to make a withdrawal from this website. Out of that $15, you've already received $3 as a sign-up bonus. So, you just need to earn $12 more by reading emails to make your first withdrawal. To do this, click on My Account and select the Redeem Points option. This will take you to a page where you can see your balance at the top and know that you'll receive your payment within 3 business days, no matter which payment method you choose. If you scroll down, you'll see the different payment methods available. You can either use 50 points on the website to get guaranteed paid emails daily, or you can withdraw your earnings into your PayPal account, or as an Amazon gift card, Google Play gift card, or many other e-gift card options available here. The second website on our list is called WealthWalk.com. This website also pays you for reading emails, as they clearly mention on their site, earn money by reading emails. The great thing is, you only need to earn 20 cents to make a withdrawal from this website, which is really awesome. If you want, you can check out the payment proofs by clicking on Payment Proofs, and you'll see that people from around the world are withdrawing money every minute from WealthWalk. This website is available in almost all countries worldwide, so you can earn money from anywhere. Now, the first thing you need to do is register yourself by clicking the Register button. This will take you to a page where you'll create a username, enter your email, create a strong password, agree to the terms of service and privacy notice, and then click Register to complete your registration. WealthWalk will send you an activation link to your email, which you'll need to click to activate your account. Once you see Operation Successful on your screen, you can click Return to Homepage to log into your account. This is how your dashboard will look like. The most important thing is that WealthWalk will send you a second email regarding how you can get paid to read email ads from WealthWalk. For this, you need to add this email to your contact list on Gmail. Simply click on the 3 dots next to the email and select Filter Messages like this. A pop-up window will open where you can create a filter. Make sure to check the boxes Star It and never send it to spam. Then, in the Categorize As section, select Primary and hit Create Filter again. To add WealthWalk to your contacts, click on the Contacts icon on the right panel of your Gmail account and select Create Contact. In the first name field, type in WealthWalk, then copy the provided WealthWalk email from the mail and paste it into the email field. Finally, click Save at the bottom to save the contact. After completing these steps, you'll start receiving emails from WealthWalk, and all you have to do is open these emails and click on the promotional link inside. Let's click on this link. Upon clicking the link, a website will open up. Now, you have to stay on this website until the loading completes 100%, which will take 20 to 30 seconds. Once it completes, you'll be credited with the money in your WealthWalk account. That wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to WealthWalk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks again for watching, and see you at the next one.